out. I'm gonna try to go top speed. There's a whole lot of whoops and stuff and jumps here. Watch out, you're hot. I can't even see anything, it's picking up so much stuff. Whoa! Okay. Holy smokes, you guys are not gonna believe this. Look at the tornado. Look at this dust devil out there. We've got to drive the RC cars through it, dude. It looks awesome. We've got it both. And we've got the camera going right here. So we got to drive right through the middle of that. Let's go. It's coming right for us. See if you can make it. Hopefully we can get there without losing a signal. I feel like a storm chaser right now. About to go into the storm. I can barely even see my own truck. Here I go. Oh, I lost signal too. We're too far away. Oh no. Let's run over there. Why are you running, Carl? Because we gotta get. We're tornado chasing.
I don't think tornado chasers literally chase on foot, but oh no! Oh, no! I just put my arm.
I do love that truck a lot. I do love it. It's so quiet.
It is, isn't it?
It's like eerily quiet for how huge that thing is.
If you weren't looking that way, you wouldn't know until it completely...
Until it was right on you. Wow. Okay, we're officially storm chasing now with the RC car. I am up in the back of the truck. And we're gonna try and get to a dust devil by maintaining signal. There's a big one forming straight ahead. That was a totally awesome day, you guys. Thanks for joining us here at the Crusher Cruise Shop. And now we have a custom precision welding shop to go along with it to come up with all kinds of crazy designs. Hopefully yours that you tell us down in the comments below. I don't know which one you guys think was faster at the hill climb today. I think the bolt action RC car might have had a little bit of the edge as far as the traction goes, but we even chased a tornado and went across the salt flats and the dry lake bottom. It was totally awesome. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.